Hi everyone. First off, welcome to my channel. My name is Brooke. I wanted to film this video because I had either the best idea or the worst idea ever yesterday when I was cleaning my makeup brushes. So I was sitting there scrubbing away as I do, and as you know, your hands get really wrinkly and it takes forever. It's very time consuming to clean your makeup brushes. And I'm thinking, I'm putting in all this effort, but am I really getting my makeup brushes clean like I should? Like, you know, clean enough. So something in my work smarter, not harder brain clicked and was like, dishwasher. Because I had heard of this idea that some people do, and I've done it before. It actually does work. When your sponge gets all gross from sitting in the sink, basically it smells because it has bacteria in it, people put it in the dishwasher to sterilize it, because the really super hot water gets rid of the bacteria. When you pull it out, it doesn't smell anymore. You can keep using it. So I was like, what if I put my makeup brushes in the dishwasher and see what happens? So that's exactly what I'm going to do. So upstairs, I went ahead and picked out 6 makeup brushes, 2 of which I'm going to go ahead and wash in the sink, 4 of which I'm going to go ahead and put in the dishwasher. There's 3 expensive ones and 3 like cheaper ones. So I'm going to put 2 on the top rack of the dishwasher, 1 expensive one and 1 cheap one, and 2 in the bottom rack of the dishwasher where the silverware go, 1 cheap one, 1 expensive one, and see what happens. So I'm really excited to see if this works. I'm also really nervous because I'm not sure if it's going to like butcher my makeup brushes, whether it's going to melt them, whether it's going to ruin them, whether they're going to end up with, like, God forbid, like food all over them. I don't know, but I couldn't help myself but try this. So let's head upstairs. First off, I'm going to go ahead and like dirty my makeup brushes because I washed them yesterday, so I need to dirty them again so we can have a really good starting point, and then we'll go from there. So as you can see, they're pretty dirty now. I went ahead and rubbed them in some bronzer, and I rubbed the eye brushes in some like dark brown eyeshadow. So it should make for an interesting experience for us. So here I am back downstairs with the makeup brushes I'm going to be putting in the dishwasher. Let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to, I feel like maybe I should put 2 on the top rack and 2 on the bottom rack. So I'm going to go ahead and put some on the top rack, like that. 1 cheap one, 1 expensive one. And then I'm going to put 2 right here where the silverware is. So I'm going to go ahead and run the dishwasher and let's see what happens when they come out. Alright, so those makeup brushes are in the dishwasher now. I'm going to go ahead and head back upstairs and wash the other ones in the sink like I normally would. And then once they're done, we'll see which one is better, more clean. I'm not really sure how we're going to test it, but we'll see. Okay, update. I think that the dishwasher is done. So I'm going to open it and see what happened. So the ones that were on the bottom rack are still there. They're still kicking. The one, oh, The It Cosmetics, the bigger one, stayed on the top rack, but I'm gonna bet that the other one is somewhere down at the bottom where all the water drains. So I hope it didn't like break or cause an issue. Let's see if we can find it. Oh, ew. It's like all the way, ew. It's all the way in the back. That one I think I'm gonna have to rinse off before I try to use it. I think in the future, if you're ever gonna do this, you should probably just put it where the silverware goes so they don't fly everywhere. So let me go pull that out. Okay, now just from the looks at them, they don't actually look too bad. The dishwasher didn't mangle them. However, I can't really tell for sure if they did a good job really or not. So here they are. This one still looks a little bit dirty. Maybe I'll try to run it under the sink or put some soap on it to see if I can get any more of the bronzer to come off. This one was the one that fell to its disgusting death at the bottom of the dishwasher where the drain was. So I don't think it really got an opportunity to get cleaned that well. These two were the ones on the bottom rack where the silverware go. This one looks to be pretty clean. It's got some spots here. I think that's like actually stained because that was there before I even dirtied up the brush itself. And then there's this guy who's also on the bottom rack. It looks like it's pretty clean. So I guess the way that I'm going to test this is to go upstairs and see if I can put some soap on it and see if any more makeup comes off of these. And if it doesn't, that means it got it pretty good. But I'd be willing to bet that because the dishwasher gets so hot, these ones are probably in general more like sterilized than if I were to just rinse it with water that was warm enough to where I can, cold enough to where I could still touch it. So, but it doesn't seem like it ruined the integrity of them. It doesn't seem like it ruined the bristles at all. I think this actually turned out a lot better than I expected. And it didn't ruin my brushes. So I am very happy about that. Let's go upstairs, rinse them with some soap, and see if we can get any more makeup to come off of these guys. Okay, so here we are back upstairs with our washer brushes. I'm going to go ahead and just put some soap on them and see if I can get any more makeup out of them. I guess that, will tell us if it got it all or not. So let me try. I'll try this one first. This one was on the bottom rack of the dishwasher. So typically with the bottom rack of the dishwasher, that's where it gets exposed to the hot, like more harsh conditions. Okay, so I just went ahead and squeezed it, and there was some makeup that still came out of it. Put some soap on it, squeezed it. There was some makeup that still came out of it. So I'm not sure if that one worked too well. So here's this one. This one was on the top rack, and it still has some staining from, previous uses. Overall, it looks not too bad. So let me try this one. Maybe the littlest bit came out of that one, but not a whole lot at all. Okay, so that one looks good. And then here's the two eye brushes. I put some dark brown eyeshadow on these guys, so we'll see if it got it all. This one was on the bottom rack. This is our expensive one on the bottom rack. I'm going to put some soap on it. actually, nothing came out of that one, so it cleaned this one pretty good. It actually cleaned this one pretty good on the bottom rack, which is funny because the face brush on the bottom rack wasn't all the way clean. Pretty clean, but not all the way clean. Okay, and so lastly, this is the guy that went ahead and fell off the bottom rack to the bottom with all the near the drain. It definitely needs some soap on it, so let's see if it got any of the makeup off. And actually no makeup came out of that. Not that I saw. Nope. So this one is actually pretty clean despite being tossed to the bottom of the dishwasher. So that's pretty good. And of course we have the two makeup brushes that I hand washed up here. I'm gonna rinse these again and see if they're, because I thought I washed them pretty good, so I'm gonna go ahead and rinse these again as well to see if there's any makeup that comes out of these, so we can see, you know, whether me scrubbing them all that time the first time got them clean or not. So let's do that. Okay, so obviously no makeup out of this one. And then this guy, we're going to do the cheaper one. Okay. And no makeup out of that one. Because there was, overall, I think that there's more control. While the process takes a little bit more time, I think that there's more control, obviously, over whether you can see if they're clean or not, whether the water starts to rinse clean or not. So these ones are really clean. But I have to say that the ones that we put in the dishwasher didn't do too bad. So I'm back downstairs, and I just wanted to make a quick conclusion to this video. Overall, I was really impressed by the dishwasher. Washing these brushes, it didn't get all of the makeup out, obviously, but I'm thinking maybe because the water is so hot, maybe it got, you know, killed most of the bacteria in them, which is important. It also kind of saves you time. Like, I don't know what you could do differently. I would definitely, if you were to try this, put them on the bottom rack of your dishwasher first. Secondly, I just think that when you hand wash your brushes, even though it takes more time, you have more control over it. You can see when the water runs clear that they're actually clean and it got all the makeup out of it. Yeah, in the comments, let me know what I should try next. I'm thinking that maybe next time we can try putting them in the washer. Maybe I'll tie them in a little bag so they don't get broken, and we'll put them in the washer and see what happens. So stay tuned for that, and stay tuned for everything else that I am going to put up on this channel, because there's a lot that I want to do. Leave me suggestions. I'm pretty open for trying anything, so if you have any ideas, leave them in the comment section. I would appreciate if you liked this video, if you liked it. Also, if you could subscribe to see those videos when I put them up. Also, I have a new Instagram that I opened. It's called bloom.synergy. And I like to put my creative photography on there. Right now I have a lot of nature and flowers, because I'm obsessed with flowers. However, I want to move that Instagram more in the direction of lifestyle kind of pictures too. So places I go, things that I do, I want to take pictures of that. So if you could go check that out and support me in that way, I would really appreciate it. And thank you all so much for taking the time to watch this silly little experiment that I did, and I hope to see you on the next one. So thank you, bye.